All right, guys, this is it, our last live video of the day here at the 2024 RV Super Show in Tampa Bay, and it's been an exciting and fun day to kick it off. Dealing a little bit with the weather, but you know what? The sun is always out when you get to play around with RVs all day. We are here in the Prime Time booth, and this is the Sanibel wide body. Now, I had a chance to check out the Sanibel up in Elkhart a year ago, and this kicks off the RV show season. But this Spencer, and this is Spencer, he is with the team, and this thing is awesome. Talk about wide body.
Love it. So this unit's actually going to be 100 inches wide. It's part of like what we're going for with maximizing all the space we can get. That gets us an extra 4 inches on the interior. It also gets us deeper slide boxes because now you've got more distance before you're running into islands and couches and things like that. But really, it's just the whole, I think, idea around Sanibel here is we're trying to get space versatility in as many of our floor plans as possible, and that wide body helps.
And this is a new layout for the year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a new layout for the Sanibel, and this is a new trim for them. But what's also unique is the length of this. There are not many fifth wheels that push 45 feet in length, and this is 46 feet in length.
46 feet 2 inches.
Yeah, it's long. So let's go inside and take a closer look at this. We'll follow you in. As you make your way to the inside, you're going to immediately see a beautiful and inviting kitchen area. This is all about entertaining on the inside of this Sanibel. It's gorgeous on the inside. I could see gourmet meals coming out of here.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. I think this floor plan is really unique in the way that it's actually been able to accomplish so much in the space that it has. Opposing slides, island kitchen, we even have a little flip up top. Super sofa, but there's just a lot going on here. I think sometimes people are almost surprised that this is a bunk model when they see how functional their living space is.
Yeah, and up here, my mom and dad would probably slide their mail in here, but not me. I would put my wine bottles in here like that. You got a beautiful Greystone microwave and an Insignia. By the way, oven down here below. I think you could fit a turkey in there. It's so big.
Absolutely.
So you have a lot of functional space on the inside. I'm going to put my money down that this is a pop-up television.
Yes, sir.
All right, so you got pop-up television here on the side, fireplace with your Furrion sound bar, and then look how wide this Thomasville couch is. You also have pop-outs on it, so it also serves as a recliner.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Yep. All right, so you got a lot of functional space in here. As you make your way to the back area, big king-size bed, lots of space for all your clothes, lots of mirrors, fireplace again in the back area, storage up top, king-size bed, and you called it, there was a name you had for the design in here.
So we've got an upgraded pillow package inside of every Sanibel. It actually comes standard. This is not just for the show. Every one of these that ships has it in it. And we've got a hardwood headboard with a king bed in here and a nice deep slide with overhead cabinets. Really makes this bedroom just feel very open.
And then in the bathroom, this could be one of the biggest bathrooms I've seen. This feels like a bathroom that you would have in your home. Like, it's so spacious and wide. Dual countertop sinks, storage up top, big shower. This is awesome. Tell me about it.
So it's dual vanity, porcelain toilet. You've actually got a ton of storage in here between your linen closet here. This is actually going to service as a washer dryer prep, but even if people aren't going to use it for that, now they've got even more storage going throughout. But even, you don't usually see this much storage overhead in a medicine cabinet layout. Dual vanity, solid surface. Everything in here is, it's almost shocking that this is actually not a couples coach because it feels so catered towards that type of a feel and experience.
But the only issue in this, Spencer, is where are my kids going to sleep?
Oh, that's not an issue at
I
all,
haven't
man.
figured it out yet, but
Yeah.
maybe if I make my way to the front, I will figure it out. And that's because in the front of this, dual bunk beds, a workstation for your kids to do homework from the road, a flat screen TV. This is amazing. Utilizing the front cap instead of making it a master suite, you're utilizing it for making it into a big bunk bed area for your kids.
Yeah, we love it. I think it kind of changes the game. It's shocking to get up here and see how much more space and how much more use you can get out of this thing. I've heard even of people using this as a mobile office, of course. Some people will just say, hey, I need a place for my dogs, which a lot of times your mid-bunks would be servicing that customer. But really, there's so much that you can do with this space up here. And then, again, I think it just still shocks people that they've got all that space in the back and living area to work with.
And then you've got a toilet up here as well for the kids to utilize the bathroom, which is fantastic. So what are we talking ballpark on price for this?
So they're going to have it today at the show for $69.9. That's typically going to be where you're going to see one of these listed out in the market.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to have you redo that again because when this airs, it's not... Oh, this is live. We're live. Okay, so many videos today. I'm like, which one's live? All right, so this is live. You said for the show it's going to be what price?
$70,000.
About $70,000.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. And people can find more information on this where?
At primetimerv.com/Sanibel.
All right, we've done a lot of videos for you guys. Like,
It's confusing.
I can't even tell, man. We got a storm coming in. I'm
Trying to
like,
keep everything
where am I
straight.
at? I don't even know what city I'm in sometimes. But
No
really
problem.
appreciate you
No problem.
joining us today, sharing
Absolutely.
with us some more information about your RVs. Guys, we're going to be back at you again tomorrow, live. I promise not to think I'm not live. We'll be back again with you guys tomorrow. I'm Mike Caudill with Go RVing here at the 2024 RV Super Show. We'll see you guys tomorrow.